Good day everyone, I am Kurt Freelanti Salvador from BSE 1A and I am here to discuss the issues on copyright, appropriation, and ownership. So let's start. First, copyright. Copyright is a legal right that grants the creator of an original work exclusive rights to its use and distribution. Here's some example of copyright. Novel, photograph, lyric to a song, painting, plan for a building, blog post, and etc. So dito binibigyan ng permiso ang creator na gamitin at i-distribute ang kanyang mga likha na nagiging dahilan upang kumita sila, pero minsan maraming tao ang gumagaya ng isang artwork or ninanakaw nila at hindi sila nagbibigay ng credits, kaya nagkakaroon ng paglabag sa batas ng copyright. So papasok na dito yung mga issue. Number 1, digital piracy. The rise of the internet has made it easier to illegally share copyrighted materials, leading to revenue loss for creators. Because of the rise of internet, mas mabilis na nilang na isi-share ang copyrighted materials at naibebenta nila ito sa mga tao, na kung saan nagiging revenue loss naman para sa mga creator na original na gumawa ng isang painting, architecture. Number 2, fair to use. Determining what constitutes fair use of copyrighted materials for purposes such as criticism, commentary, news reporting, teaching, and research is often a point of contention. So, fair to use of copyrighted materials. So, papasok dito yung mga purposes. Wala itong permission ng owner, pero ginagamit nila ito upang i-share yung mga idea nila tungkol sa isang artwork or kung bakit ginawa ng creator ang isang painting. Number 3, duration of copyright. The extended duration of copyright protection, especially in the digital age, raises concerns about limiting access of creative works. Next is appropriation. Appropriation, in the context of art and creative expression, refers to the practice of borrowing, copying, and incorporating elements from existing works to create a new work. It involved taking aspects of one work and recontextualizing them in a different setting, or combining them with other elements to produce something original. Appropriation can encompass a wide range of forms, including visual art, music, literature, and performance. One of the example is a self-portrait na kung saan ginagaya natin ang postura ng isang painting. So, papasok dito yung incorporating of elements na kung saan magiging original works or sariling gawa na nila ito dahil na-enhance nila or na-emphasize nila yung color nung ginaya nilang painting or may mga nabago sila sa ginawa nilang self-portrait. So, last is ownership. Refers to the legal right to possess, use, and control something. In the context of intellectual property, ownership relates to the rights held by the creators or owners of original works. So, dito sa ownership, papasok ang karapatan ng mga owner or creator na i-share or gamitin ang isang artwork na nilikha nila. Pwede rin nila itong hindi i-share sa public or private lang na sa kanila lang. Malaki din ang tulong nito upang maiwasan ang copyright. So, thank you. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan sa aking report ngayong araw.